We are working on 2017 Maserati Granturismo. We are doing a subwoofer. This one has a built-in amplifier. It's a Rockford Fosgate. Surprisingly, it's fairly simple. To get to the battery, open the trunk, the panel comes out, and underneath there's a battery right there, so we can grab the power from there. To get to the audio section, there is a Bose amplifier on the left-hand side panel. We're going to have to remove all those 10mm nuts. Those are 8mm, okay, those are 8mm nuts. So we're going to take the full 8mm out. On the back of this panel here, there's also plastic clips. There's 4 of them. We're going to remove that. We're going to take that out to remove that side panel. Alright, so a little confused. I'm looking at this and it's a 10mm, but Jim told me these were 8. So they use 2 different ones. The ones on the front, those are 8. Ones in the back are 10mm. Go for you. Why would you do 2 different nuts? Okay, so that back panel comes out first. So once you have those 4 nuts, the pocket comes out. There's another 10mm holding onto the side panels. This is an old Series XM tuner. It's outdated. What size screws are those? Torx? Torx number 20? Should be able to pull this out like that. The reason we're taking these out is because we got to remove that side panel on the driver's side. You need a flat screwdriver. Right, so I got this center panel down a little bit. There are 2 plastic clips holding onto this back panel, and you should be able to remove that side panel after that. Just pull out the whole thing. Pull it out, Jim. It comes out. Leave it alone. We don't need that. There's the amp right there. We're gonna remove nut here, 10 millivolt here, and another one on the part of it going this way. The other one is going that way. So once you have 3 10 mils out, the whole amp should come out. We'll pull that side out first. Yep. See a Bose amp right there. So we got this green plug unplugged. There are twisted pairs. I assume these heavy gauge wires for the base. So we're gonna put a test light and pop it. See what speaker pops. So all you gotta do is you put a short pulse of 12 volt and the speaker will pop. So one to the ground, the other one we're gonna shoot pulse to it. Not touching it. Let me go up there. Do it again. Well, that is the door speaker. It's the first one. Release tab here. Looking at the release tab, there is a 10 black and 10. The right below it is also a twisted pair. That one is 10 blue and 10 gray. So this is the left, this is the right, the door speakers. So we're going to put high to low right on those two speaker wires. So I thought this was the left door speakers. The 10 blue and 10 gray, that's actually the factory sub. So I assume this is the left door speaker, the right door speaker. This 10 blue, 10 gray, that is a subwoofer. So we're going to put high to low on these two sub wires. Right, this is kind of confusing. We thought this
is the right.
This is the right, the first one on the top. That's the 10 and 10 black. The bottom one, I thought that was the right side, but it's not. That's actually the sub. And this brown wire, that's the center speaker. Right there, that's the center speaker. The left door speaker is on the gray power plug. That's yellow, black, and yellow. That is the left door. We try to hook up high to low on the sub. For some reason, the audio is very, very low. So we are putting that onto door speakers, high to low. This car, the output of the radio has a long delay on it. And if you have a trunk open, that amp turn on never shuts off. So be sure to latch this if you want to test out the amplifier shutting off. It never shut off. Even after like 10 minutes, it was still staying on until we latch this one. Then it shut off after about 2-3 minutes. So be sure to test it with the latch locked in so amp shuts off on time. Alright, so we got everything connected, everything works. Only thing I forgot to show you is that running the bass knob cable. So you remove this panel here, go up to here. Easiest way to run from here to the trunk. This is a convertible. Open the convertible halfway down. Now you can access the back under part of this panel, and you run the wire. There's a plenty of space. So if you put it all the way down, you're not going to be able to see it. But if you put it down and this goes upward, you will see under part of this glass, and it's all white painted metal there. You just run it. There is a grommet right about here, going from here into the trunk, and you can run the wire under part of that. Obviously, this is the battery. You grab main power from here. Be sure to fuse it. Ground there. And high flow we are using provide the antenna.